involved in. Some of the trends in our industry right now, digital transformation, um, innovation is critically important. When I started in this industry, um, we were faxing papers. A fax machine does not exist anymore. Everything is digital, as part of the digital thread. We're talking about blockchain. But when I started, none of that was even thought of. So in order to stay current and to be forward thinking, you have to pour in yourself and be an active learner, because one thing for sure, change is inevitable. Preparation meets opportunity. I shared that with you already about my experiences. Find a mentor, a coach, and a sponsor. As I started off, someone poured into me, so you pour into others, but you've got to make sure that you have your team behind you. A mentor is a little different than a coach. A mentor is usually a person who you're meeting on a regular basis, that's identifying areas of opportunity for you to explore, to grow. You can have a mentor in high school. You can have a mentor when you get to college. You definitely should have a mentor throughout your career journey. A coach is someone who will give you somewhat the guidance of what you should be doing, but maybe you're not meeting with them on a regular basis. They're giving you the playbook. A sponsor is someone who's talking about, oh yeah, I know Jim, and Jim has these skill sets. Jim would be great at doing this leadership role. So there are some differences in that. And that's why I say get a team, get a tribe behind you, because that tribe will help you be the best that you can be and commit to work-life balance. And that's why my why is so important. I spend time with my family. For 10 years in my career, I decided to work from home and be more involved in